Welcome to Everyday Decoding. This is part 3 of AZ900 certification course. In this video, we are discussing on how to schedule examination. But this is not only for AZ900. You can schedule any Microsoft certification exam. So first of all, you just click on this particular URL. When you click on this particular URL, you have to redirect on this particular page. In this page, we have seen 3 yellow buttons are there. First yellow button is Schedule with Pearson DVE. And second yellow button is Schedule with Certiport. So those two companies are collaborate with Microsoft. Basically those two IT companies are maintain the examination. In this video I will discuss on Schedule with Pearson VUE. Just click on this particular icon. You can redirect to this particular login page, that means Microsoft login page. If you have a Microsoft ID, just put your username and password and click on next. Or if you don't have Microsoft ID, click on this create one button. You can also log in with your Gmail address, but in this case we need to convert your Gmail account with Microsoft account. So after click on this particular next button, you can see this particular web page. You need to create your Microsoft certification profile. Your name will be displayed on this particular page. What type of job title you have to select from this particular drop down. You need to put your address line 1, address line 2 and address line 3. You need to put your city, you need to put your country, states, postal code. You need to put your phone numbers. In my case, I am in India, so that's why it's showing India +91 ISD code. You need to select the language. In the top right corner, you can see this MCID code. This is the particular alphanumeric code and primary account. That means your email address. After fill up all those information, you just click on save and continue button. We have seen this particular type of error. That means you are in Chrome browser. This is the particular generic error message will be erased when you using the Chrome browser. Just avoid this kind of error. Please use Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer browser. So after you click on the save and continue button, you can redirect to this particular page. In this page, we have seen 3 options are there. First option is for Microsoft employees. People who are in Microsoft employees, just click on this particular link account button, or otherwise you can click on this go to Pearson VUE. You have to redirect on this particular web page. This web page is basically select the exam options. How do you want to take your exam? Which location you choose to take this particular exam? You can take your exam, just go to your nearest test center, or you can take your exam through your home or your office. You have to choose your suitable option. When you click on this at my home or office options, you can see this particular run pre-check option will be appear. Actually this button will be redirect to a particular page. Just click on this particular option. This particular web page will be redirect. System check is mandatory before you appearing this particular exam. It will check your microphone, it will check your internet connection, it will check your webcam. So after checking all those 3 things, it will display this particular message, system check successfully completed. There are 2 processes available for system checking. First is web, or second is they will provide a particular exe file. So when you click on this particular URL, it will redirecting this particular web page. Information run system test will be appear. Just click on this test my system. It will redirecting this another web page. And in this web page, you have seen 3 options are there. First option, check the box to confirm you are using this computer and location that you will be testing on the exam day. That means it is the one kind of confirmation page. They will provide a specific access code, and this is the download button. Just click on this particular download button. This exe file will be downloaded, and after downloading, when you click on this particular exe file, this exe file need a access code. Just copy this access code and paste it on there. Same process, microphone, internet test, webcam, those processes are done through this particular exe file. So after you've done all those processes, just click on this particular next button. It will redirect to this particular agreement page, agreement to online exam policies. If you want to enable this particular radio button, you need to select all those checkbox. And after you click on this next button, it will redirect to this particular web page, select exam language. That means what language you want to select for appearing this examination. You need to select your preferable language and click on next. After that, it will redirect on this particular web page. That means third window, select protected language. So only 2 languages are available on this case. You need to select any language as you choose. Now need to find the appointment date. In this particular calendar control box, you need to select a specific date in which you appearing this examination. So after click on this particular day and time, when you click on this next option, a new page will be appear, and this page will be asking for payment. You need to finalize your payment and click on confirm order option. Normally you have to pay through your debit card or credit card, or if you have any voucher code regarding this particular examination, you need to apply this voucher code and click on order confirmation button. After you click on this order confirmation button, they will give a particular message that your order is confirmed. They will provide you a confirmation mail. In this mail you have seen all the details regarding the examination, and they will confirm you that your examination will be happen on the particular day that you are selected from this particular section. After you confirm your examination, that means after you schedule your examination, at the day of examination, what you can do, just click on this particular URL. You have redirect on this particular page, that means Microsoft Learning dashboard page. Just click on this particular hyperlink, start a previous schedule online process exam. It will redirect a particular Pearson VUE page. You need to wait for protector. The protector will give you some information regarding this examination, and you start your examination. So after you finish your examination, that means after 1 hour you have answered all those questions. After you complete your examination, they will provide your scorecard, how much marks you are secure from this particular examination, and after 5 to 10 minutes they will provide your certificates and they will provide your transcripts. You need to share your transcript to your employer. I hope you like this video. If you have any comment or any suggestion regarding this particular video or regarding my YouTube channel, just feel free to put into the comment box. That's it for today. Have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. My next video, what is cloud computing?